Hello Facebook, hi everybody out there. Hope everybody is having a good Thursday. I'm just gonna adjust my light just a little bit. There's a glare coming in over there. There we go, a little bit better. Hello everybody, hope everybody's having a great day. Let's see, I'll give everybody a minute to join in here. It is Thursday, so Aroma Thyme is back open. We are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays, so we are open now. And as you're joining, if you could just let me know you're here, give me a thumbs up. All right, there we go. People are starting to join now. Thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate it. It is Thursday night and we are open. Remember, we are at 50% capacity, so we still only have about 6-7 tables. We are still social distanced. There is 6 feet apart from each table. And we really only have 6, maybe 7 tables in the dining room going into Valentine's Day weekend. So please remember that if you want to come in for dinner this weekend. Usually Valentine's Day is an extremely busy day for us. We will be busy, but we will be busy, I believe, more with takeout. And our reservations are filling up for the 6 o'clock time. I think that is sold out. So we have available 3 o'clock and 7 o'clock, 3 or 4-ish, and then 7 o'clock. But again, we only have limited amounts of tables, but we do have a Valentine's Day party box that you can take home. It feeds 2 people. It is, I believe it's $109. It is $135 value for $109. It includes, let's see, the appetizers is our burrata. There's burrata, there's an arugula salad, shrimp cocktail, and then the entrees, you can choose brisket or tuna. You get 2 entrees. You can pick the same 2 or 1 of each. And then we have broccoli and garlic mashed potatoes on the side of those. And then we have 2 desserts. We have everybody loves my Rocky Road fudge, and we'll have cheesecake with a blueberry compote. And then you have a half bottle of sparkling wine and a bottle of wine that you get to choose from. We have a couple of different choices there for you. So that is a steal. If you are interested in that, picking that up on Sunday, on Valentine's Day, between 3 and 5 p.m. That is available. It's $109 plus tax, obviously. And that is available for pickup on Sunday. And then we do have a few tables available Sunday night. But if you can go out Thursday or Monday. That helps restaurants, not only ours, any restaurant, especially now. Or Friday. Saturday seems to be pretty busy for us. So if you can go out another day and celebrate Valentine's Day. I know it's not Valentine's Day, but it's a celebration. If you can do that, go out on an off day. That always helps restaurants, especially now when we are limited in how many tables we can have, how many people we can have, all that stuff. That helps the staff, right? Don't forget, the staff is taking care of you. Whether you're taking takeout or dining in, your staff is taking care of you. So please make sure you leave them some sort of appreciation tip of some sort to thank them for taking care of you. They have to answer the phone. They have to print and put together your food. They have to wait on you when you get here. And sometimes they're bringing your food out to the car for you. They're packing it up. So they are taking care of you, just not as much as they would be taking care of you as you were sitting at a table. But they're still doing the same thing. They're still taking your order. They're still bringing you your food. They're still, charging your credit card or taking your money. They're still, bringing the food, the orders into the kitchen. So please make sure that you take care of your staff. It's really important, especially this time of the year when it is slower at restaurants to begin with. So tonight is our $9.99. We have 3 specials tonight on Thursday night. We have our $9.99 burgers to go. We have a chickpea burger and then a tomato blue cheese burger, a bacon cheddar burger, and our forager burger. So that is available for $9.99. And this week's $9.99 specials are our Indian chickpea and eggplant dish served with our brown rice. And also we have our beef tip and broccoli served with rice. So That's all available for $9.99 to go. You can get a bottle of wine to go with that. You can order off of our regular menu, so that is available as well. But on to the Love Buzz. This is a drink I just found to kind of help start celebrating Valentine's Day. You can make this at home. It's a pretty simple, very simple recipe. Marcus and I just went to what used to be called Prohibition Distillery in Roscoe. They are now called Do Good Distillery. And we had an awesome tour and tasting today. So if you ever get up into Roscoe, please stop by, get there. I don't know if they're actually doing tastings, but they did this awesome drink to go. We had tasted this called the Chocolate Beaver. I actually can make this one day. We just won't make it with whole milk. But chocolate syrup, bitters, and their bourbon cream. Their bourbon cream is awesome. We love it. We had an awesome tasting with them. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. Thank you everybody for your continued support. And the Love Buzz. The Buzz, I will be putting in a shot of espresso. Sorry about that. I'm going to add that onto my ice. I am going to add an ounce of chocolate liqueur. You can add creme de liqueur. There are some awesome chocolate liqueurs out there. So I'm going to add a little chocolate liqueur. I am going to add some of our organic vodka, so an ounce and a half. And a splash of raspberry liqueur from Finger Lakes Distilling. So we were just there the other day visiting again with them, and they're awesome people up there. Love Brian, love what he's doing. So and there you go. So that's a simple recipe. So it has vodka, raspberry liqueur, espresso, and chocolate liqueur. So I'm going to shake that up, and I'm going to put it in a martini glass. So let me grab a martini glass. All right, shake that up. And the Love Buzz, this is called. So let's see how this tastes.
Perfect. All right.
Very raspberry and not so sweet. So if you'd like, you can put in some agave. I'm not sure what happened, but I have very few viewers on. Okay, someone is looking, so they are seeing me. It's very espresso and raspberry, so chocolate raspberry to get you in the mood for Valentine's Day. And oh, that's yummy. Not super sweet. If you know me, I normally am making sweet drinks, so that is not sweet at all. That is more espresso and chocolate and raspberry. But you can add agave to it, and that will sweeten it up a little bit. You can add a simple syrup to it. And that is it for today. I will be back tomorrow for my happy hour live tomorrow around 4. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Bianca. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, everybody, for watching me. I totally appreciate it. And we are going to get ready to get the doors open here. Get ready to welcome in our guests who are taking out and dining in with us. And I will see everybody tomorrow. Hello, Cheryl. Cheryl just joined. Thank you, everybody. Awesome drink, the Love Buzz. The buzz comes from the espresso. Keep you up. And it has raspberry liqueur from Finger Lakes Distilling. It has organic vodka. It has chocolate liqueur and espresso in there. So thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it, and I will catch you all tomorrow. Have a good night.